Okay, so we're going to make a drawing, orthographic drawing, from our finished assembly. Oops. So we need to go to the plus sign, we need to create a drawing. Now, this is, you may get a few more options. I've already created a drawing, so this is my default. And you want this one, in millimeters. Okay, and the 8 millimeters, that's the one that you want. Click on OK. And now it's really easy. You want to go to assemblies. You want to click fence. And now you can put the view into your drawing. And once you've got one in, you can drag across, put the other one in. That's the front elevation, the side. And then you need to click on this one. And then you can put the top view in. Ideally, you want the gap between the two, this view and this view and this view, should be the same. I'm actually going to delete that one in a minute. Once I want a sectional view because I want to show that this piece goes in here. So I'm going to select this, and we can still zoom the same as we did before. So let's zoom in, and you can see we've got that like hourglass symbol. We're going to select the middle of that there. And then I have this will be a sectional view, and I'll put that there, like that. And then this one, I'm just going to select it and delete it. So that's the sectional view, and you can see it says section AA there. Now I'm just going to add a few dimensions. So if I click on there, exactly the same as in when you're doing a solid model. Okay. Just put a few of those on. Same as before, if you click on 2, it allows you to do the distance between. We'll just put those basic. If this one here. Okay, now we'll just leave that for now. Okay, and that's how to create a drawing. You can see once we've created the model, it's very easy to create the drawings from it. It's very labour saving. Excellent, thank you.